Gukinyiria riu no gicunji kia 60 hari igana gia ciana iria iciaragwo guku bururi-ini iheagwo mweke wa kuonga mieri 6 kirumaniririo itekuheo irio. Matanya ma ministry ya ugima wa mwiri ari gugikinyiria mwaka wa 2030 na beno ikorwo ikinyite gicunji kia 70 hari igana. Kuringana na ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hindi ya kuririkana na gukungwira kiumia gya kwongithia ciana, riboti yonanitie ciana 21 gatagati-ini ga ciana 1000 iria iciaragwo ni ikuaga ihinda-ini ria thiku 28 kumana na kwaga kwongithio na njira iria yagiriire.
So if we have the right messages at the right time, every mother in this country will be able to breastfeed exclusive for the first 6 months and beyond.
Thiini wa thi namba ya ciana iria ikuaga oro mwaka kumana na kwaga kwongithio irugamire 823 mendekithia ma ataramu ruhonge-ini rwa ugima wa mwiri ari mwana kwongithio ihinda-ini ria miaka 2 niguo kumurigiriria mirimu itiganite. Kwaga kwongithia mwana na njira iria yagiriire no gucungiririe agumirwo ni mathina matiganite maria ni hamwe na murimu wa cukari, pneumonia, thina wa kuharwo, mwana kwaga gukura na ihenya uria kwagiriire gatagati-ini ka mangi.
It has an impact on the learning because children who do not get their appropriate diet in one way or the other out of malnutrition, they are likely to get stunted, and stunted children will then take longer to be in the schooling system to understand what they are taught in school.
Hamwe noguo riboti yonanitie namba ya ciana iria ikoretwo ikiheo iria na njira ya kuhuthira cuba ni ambatirite nginyagia gicunji kia 34 hari igana ikiringithanio na mwaka wa 2014 kuria namba eno yarugameire gicunji kia 22 hari igana.
When we have meetings and somebody want to come with to come and do expression, they are not denied, because it's a space that is supporting, protecting breastfeeding for even the people who are getting services.
Ona kuri uguo andikani ni moritio kuiga keheri handu haria atumia mari na ciana mangihota kwongithiria na ningi kumaheaga mweke wa kwongithia ciana riria mari wira-ini niguo gutigirira ciana ni ciakura na ihenya uria kwagiriire.
One talks about lactation stations in the workforce, in the workplaces, and states that all employers shall establish lactation stations in the workplace. It does not matter what workplace it is, adequately provided with the necessary equipments and facilities, including the hand washing equipments.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.